Drink me up champagne rosé. It's my game. Please fill my cup champagne rosé. It's my name. Please drink me up champagne.
Guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sadie's. Make sure that you are subscribed so that you'll get notified on all of my new videos. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, bell notification, so that you will not miss a video notification. So I just want to say Happy New Year's to everybody. This is my first video that I'm recording for the new year. Actually, this is my second. This is my first sit down video of the year. So I decided that I wanted to start doing a weekly just like sit down chit chat with you guys, just like a little calm, relaxed video. So today's video, so I decided that I wanted to do a segment on my channel called 5 Minute Monday, which, and I say 5 minutes, that doesn't mean the video is going to be 5 minutes every time, but I'm going to try to keep it short and simple, just like a weekly motivation. Definitely going to try to have these videos out like Monday 8 a.m. in the morning, because I don't have school that day, so that will be a great upload day for me. This week is going to be coming out on a Tuesday, but for the remainder of the year, I'm going to definitely make sure that it's out on Monday. So let's get right into the video. So this Monday, our first topic, we're going to just be talking about key tips on how to, and I got my little book. So, and y'all, it's so important that you write things down that you want. Like this year, I remember before I used to write down everything, like everything I wanted, like everything that I thought I wanted, or like I just always wrote it down, and I kind of got away from that. But I said this year I'm gonna get back in the swing of things, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I wrote down a lot of things which I'll probably share with y'all later on, but so far so good. They're coming to pass. Like, even for example, I'm gonna give y'all an example of one of my goals for 2019. I had already said it last year. I said 2019 I'm gonna make sure that I'm getting a paycheck from YouTube. I want to be getting, YouTube is going to be one of my sources of income, and we already, what, 5 days into the new year? Let me see, 8 days into the new year, and I actually found that out on Saturday that my channel was going to be getting monetized. So that was one of my goals that I scratched off. So now I just got to keep knocking off the rest of my goals. But anyways, let's get right into it. So one of the first key tips on how to manifest the life you want is affirmations. It is so important. Like, we got to understand that your words have power. So you got to be careful on what you speak out of your mouth. Try not to speak negative thoughts. Don't say, oh, I'm broke, I'm tired. Like, don't say that. Be like, I have a lot of energy. God holding my money for me, my money on the way. Don't say I'm broke. Mom always told us that. Do not say you broke. And another thing, you don't got to look like what you're going through. So learn the power of your words and speak life, not death. Even with the smallest things that you speak, just be careful of what you put out into the universe. Like, don't put out no negative. Even if you feeling like, oh, you feeling the worst, don't put it out in the universe. Just speak positivity, and you're gonna see how your life can change when you just speak positive out there in the universe. So another thing, just like I just told y'all, I got my book. Write the things that you want down. I'm going to give y'all this scripture that my mom told me about. Thank you to my mom. It's Habakkuk 2:2. And it says, and the Lord answered me and said, write the vision and make it plain upon tables that he may run that readeth it. So just make sure that you write everything down, like, and even if you need to, like, people are visual. Like, for example, I bought a calendar, like a big calendar, and so I can write everything down, right? Like, every day you need to work out, every day you need to read, every, like, 30 minutes a day I want to be reading a book, like putting something in my body other than social media, other than, put some substance in your body at least 30 minutes out of the day. So yeah, any ideas, any goals that you have, write them down. And when you write them down, be specific. Like, don't just say, I want to open up a business. No, write down what kind of business it is that you want to open up, and be specific. I want to open up this kind of business. This is the income I want to make. These are the type of clients I want to cater to. Like, listen, write it down, be specific. Even if you got to get a picture of it, put it above it in your car. If you want to put pictures of it in your car, like on your little dashboard, so you can see it every day, so it could become real to you. It will help. So write things down. Then my third tip is, when you speak it, believe it. Like, be confident in what you're saying. Like, if you're saying, I'm gonna graduate college, I'm gonna get this promotion on my job, when you say things, like, really believe it. Like, don't say it if you're not confident about it. Like, no, you gotta be confident. You gotta walk in a spirit of expectation. Like, when you say you're gonna get these things, believe it. Like, I already got it. And then that's another thing. Like, that's why, like, even for example today, I was like a little tired, and I was just like, I just want to throw on a hat and I just want to go to school. And I said, you know what? No. How I'm gonna be saying I'm a millionaire, I'm a celebrity, I'm multi-millionaire, I'm gonna own these businesses, and I'm not looking like a king's kid. I'm going out the house with my hair on the top of my head. No. Let me, listen, I do makeup for a reason. Let me lay my hair. You know, my hair is a little old and oily. I'm gonna flat out my hair to my makeup. And once I did my makeup and stuff, I'm not saying that makeup make you feel any kind of way, but as I did my makeup and I started seeing myself coming together, I felt a little better when I walked out the house. I was like, okay, millionaire. So, you know, when you believe these things, when you say you want these things, don't just speak it. Like, really, really believe in what you say. So, my last tip, y'all be all over the place, but y'all know I be coming from a good space. So my last tip is just like, it's exactly what I just said. Walk in the spirit of expectation. Like, I can remember when I first started doing lash extensions, like, I didn't really have a lot of clients, and I would go to my mom's salon. That's when my mom first opened up her salon, and I would go to her salon, and I would sit there. Like, my mom would have clients, because obviously she's been doing hair for a while, so she would have all of her clients and everything, and I would just be in the back, like on my Instagram, posting pictures of the lashes that I've already done. I'll be like posting like, oh, I have this time available, I have that time available. But I was there. I woke up, I got dressed, I did my makeup, I gathered myself together, and I went to the salon regardless whether I had a client or not. And then, as you know, people just started coming, and then even people that was already there, they would be like, oh, do you have any availability today? Oh, you can squeeze me in. I'm not even booking. I'm like, let me see. Oh yeah, I can do you. So I had that spirit of expectation that I was gonna get clients. Or, for example, when I came back from London right before Christmas, I was like I had clients booked, but I didn't have a lot of clients booked. And I was like, you know what? I went ahead and got my makeup together. I made sure all my brushes was clean. I went out and bought some new beauty blenders, and I was like, you know what? They'll be calling sooner or later. And before you know it, people was calling, oh, you have any availability for this day? You have any availability for that day? Because I had all in my mind, I prepared myself, and I was walking in expectation that I was gonna get clients. You get what I'm saying? So y'all, definitely, you gotta walk in the spirit of expectation. And aside from walking in the spirit of expectation in this year, that you gotta remember that faith without works is dead. So at the same time, although you say you want these things, you want to do these things, y'all gotta put the work in. Like, you really gotta put the work in. And I just started to realize that over the last few months of the last year, 2018, and I realized, like, dang, like, I'm about to graduate college, and I realized, like, I've really been, over the last 2 years, like, every day I've been in school. I did classes for spring, I did summer classes, and I did fall classes for 2 years straight. And sometimes it got stressful, sometimes I just didn't want to do the work, but I just kept going. I didn't give up, and I had faith in myself, but I also did the work. And now I'm going to be reaping the benefits of my work and my faith. And now I'm about to graduate. So I just wanted to come and give y'all a few tips on how to manifest the life you want. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing new year. Y'all, whatever y'all want to do it. Don't let nobody make you feel away. Y'all stay encouraged, stay motivated, you know, and just, y'all, let's make this an amazing new year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that your bell notification is on, because y'all, these videos gonna be coming out every Monday for y'all until we not doing them no more. But I'm gonna keep this going for y'all. So I will see you guys in the next video.